morning, and I hope you had an excellent weekend, that your service was a real blessing to you. We start this week looking at the book of Amos. I want to remind you, if we are a blessing to you, why not subscribe? Why not like our video and drop us a line in our comments letting us know we've been a blessing to you. I'm looking at the book of Amos, as I said. I'm looking at Amos chapter 1, verse 1. It says, "This message was given to Amos, a shepherd from the town of Tekoa in Judah." I wanted to communicate this morning clearly that God seems to be very interested in people who are not of any great societal importance and from places of obscurity. Let me give you an example, and this is very clear. I've never heard of the town called Tekoa outside of this book, outside of the person of Amos. Amos's family seems to be of very little social standing or social clout. It seems as if God chooses to use people who come with limited social standing or qualification for the offices or positions that he's leading them into. Here is a shepherd. Get this, here is a shepherd, somewhat like David. Here is a shepherd who God says from Judah sends into Israel, into the 10 northern tribes, to give them a message that would be clearly articulated. And I wanted to get you in this morning before you jump out of your house to let you know God is not interested in where you're from, what other people think of you. When God puts something in your heart and in your spirit that you're convinced this is of God to do, stop allowing what other qualifications you don't have stop you from doing it. He is a shepherd, got a word from God, went into another country and determined to declare what God would have said. Opposition or no opposition, threat or no threat, he did it. My encouragement to you is go do what God says. Just go do what God says. It is important that you finish the task. It is important that you go. It is important that you speak, and it is important that you do it today. God bless.